Adam here with Brooksaw Antiques. Today we have this 1960 Hermes Rocket vintage ultra portable typewriter. I'm going to show you how to use the functions and make sure they all work. Made in Switzerland and one of the best typewriters of all time. Not just for an ultra portable, but it usually ranks up on the top list. Mostly probably because it's a really compact, just super fun to type on typewriter. Very nice print. Up top are the margins. This is the left margin. I'm going to set that right close to the edge, and this is the right margin. I'm going to put that around 75, and this is the paper support arm. It flips up from the back, and this is the paper bale that sits on top. It's got a scale on it. We're a little too close to that edge, so I'm just going to move it a couple spaces. Once you hear the bell, you're at the end of the margin. Hit this line space, gets you back to the beginning, and skips 1 or 2 spaces. Right now we have it on single, but if you want double, just flip that switch forward. It skips 2. We're going to keep that on single for now and finish typing. I think that's the right spot. There we go. As you can see, all the keys type nice and none of them skip or stick. I'll type a sentence on the next line in red. To switch from black to red, there's a switch on the right side here. Flip that up to that red indicator. It prints the bottom portion of the ribbon, which is red. When you have it in the middle, this prints pretty much right down the middle. It's got a yellow indicator. Typically, you'll have a white one that just doesn't print anything but a stencil, but on this one it has red, yellow, and blue. And blue just prints the top portion of the ribbon, which is just a black ink. So if you have a solid black ribbon, you can use it 3 times by going to all 3, but since we have a black and red, we're just going to switch this to red for this sentence here. Super fun to type on. It's got a real snappy feel to it. We're going to put the color back on black. And I'm going to show you a couple more before I show you the print. This little contraption here is how you print lines. So if you have a pen and you put it in there, you could put a pin right there or on this top. We'll just try that. And what you do is you put the pen in 2 hands here, and you just move the carriage at the same time like that, and you can draw a straight line. It looks really good. And then I'll show you the print. You can draw lines vertically too with that by feeding the page. And instead of, a lot of people will print lines with the underscore, but that's a lot cleaner when you do it like that. The print looks really good. Pica typeface, prints 10 characters per inch. To pull the page out easy, there is 2 options. One on the right side, this is your right hand paper release. You just flip it forward and it unlocks the rollers underneath the platen, allowing you to pull the page out easier, load thicker paper like carbon copy or cardstock. Make sure you flip that back before you load the next page, or else it won't load correctly. I'm going to flip this down for now. And also you can do that, zoom back out real quick. You can do that on the right side here with this. You just pull that towards you like that, and it releases. This is a manual release, it doesn't lock. But if you pull that with your left hand like that, it will release the page just like the right side does. Got a shift on each side. So right shift, left shift, and shift lock. To clear that, just hit the shift button again. Top left, these 2 arrows go in each direction is your margin release. When you get to the end of the margin, there's a mechanism that blocks you from printing. Hit that margin release. It does allow you to go all the way to the end. Very good. Backspace on the top right. Very smooth. Just love this machine so much. The look of it is all metal. They made some plastic ones too, hard plastic, which are really good. Same exact guts and DNA, except for just got a plastic. But so these are the more popular ones with the metal, and more durable. And these open up like bat wings. All the brand new ribbons loaded on the left, so it's pulling to the right. And to switch that manually, on the side you want it to go to, you just flip this on the left side of the spool or on the outside of the spool. You just push it up, it will pull to this side. Push it down or push it up on the right side, it will pull to that side. Also, it has a automatic reverse. When you get to the end of the ribbon, if you have eyelets on the end of your ribbon, which are the little metal pieces, it will catch on these little swivels, and that will reverse it to the side that it's has the least amount. And these just snap down like that. Carriage release on one side here, super smooth, just beautiful typewriter. I really love these. Super compact. It's got a top lid that goes on top. In order to get that to fit, you pull this, swivel this line space return back, push it in, and then lock the line space indicator all the way back, and just move the carriage like that. And then once you, it'll lock in the middle when you do that too. So you push the carriage when that's back, and then we'll lock in the middle. And then you put the top lid on from the back like this, and it snaps right back down, tucks in like that. Super compact, lightweight, just pops right off like that. Very nice condition too. This thing is about 11 by 11 and 2.5 inches tall. Very small. And that's one more thing. Let's show you how to do this. We're going to move that forward to unlock the line space. Swivel that up. If you hold the left knob and pull it towards you, and hold the right knob at the same time and turn the left knob towards you, you will disable the spacing so you can get to an exact spot on the page. And then to tighten that, you just tighten it the opposite way you just loosened it. Let's see. There we go. So that's what that does. Actually, I was doing it the opposite, but yeah, if you loosen it, it gives you the clicks. If you tighten it like that, it disables the spacing. Very good. And that's it. Now available on eBay or Etsy. Search Brooksaw Antiques.